Ever felt that little jolt when you touched your light switch? Or maybe your circuit breaker has decided it needs more attention than your pet cat. Welcome to the electrifying world of home electrical problems. Imagine this, you're cozy on your couch, popcorn in hand, ready for movie night. And then, bam, power outage. Sounds familiar? Let's dive into the shocking, yeah, pun intended, world of common home electrical issues, and more importantly, how to dodge these zaps like a pro. Why should you care about electrical problems? Electrical issues aren't just annoying, they're dangerous. Fires, electrocution, fried appliances, you name it. Knowing the signs and fixes can save your home, your gadgets, and maybe even your life. So, ready to become the master of your own electrical destiny? Let's get to it. Number 1, flickering lights. Ah, the classic haunted house look. But sorry, it's not a ghost. Flickering lights usually mean loose wiring or overloaded circuits. Avoid it. Ensure bulbs are screwed in tightly and check your fixtures and wiring. Fix it. If tightening doesn't help, it might be time to inspect your circuit breaker or call an electrician. Number 2, frequent circuit breaker trips. Does your circuit breaker trip more often than you do? That's a sign your circuits are overwhelmed. Avoid it. Spread out your electrical load. Don't plug all your devices into one outlet. Fix it. If tripping persists, you might need to upgrade your panel or call a pro. Number 3, dead outlets. Ever plugged in your phone charger only to find the outlet is dead? This could be due to a tripped GFCI outlet or a faulty connection. Avoid it. Regularly test your outlets and GFCIs. Fix it. Reset the GFCI or check for loose wires. No luck? It's electrician time. Number 4, warm or sparking outlets. Warm outlets are a sign of trouble, potentially loose or damaged wiring. Avoid it. Use outlets as intended. Don't overload them. Fix it. Turn off the power and inspect. If you see sparks, call an electrician immediately. Number 5, buzzing sounds. Electricity should be silent. Buzzing means there's an issue. Loose prongs, bad wiring, or failing breakers. Avoid it. Don't ignore unusual sounds. Fix it. Check your outlets and switches. If you hear buzzing from the breaker box, call in an expert. Number 6, electrical shocks. A shock from an outlet or switch is more than just surprising. It's dangerous. Avoid it. Don't use damaged cords or appliances. Fix it. Inspect for exposed wires or damaged outlets. Serious shocks mean it's time for professional help. Number 7, burning smell. Smell something burning but can't find the source? It might be an electrical issue, which is a major fire hazard. Avoid it. Regularly check your outlets and cords. Fix it. Unplug everything and turn off the power. Call an electrician before turning it back on. Number 8, Lights too bright or dim. Inconsistent lighting can indicate poor electrical connections. Avoid it. Use bulbs of correct wattage and quality fixtures. Fix it. Check the wiring or have an electrician take a look. Number 9. High electric bills. An unexplained spike in your electric bill can indicate an inefficient system or electrical leakage. Avoid it. Monitor your usage and appliances. Fix it. Check for faulty wiring or devices. An emergency ordered by a professional can help pinpoint issues. Number 10. Unprotected outlets. Especially in homes with kids, uncovered outlets can be dangerous. Avoid it. Use outlet covers or tamper-resistant outlets. Fix it. Install protective devices and educate your family on electrical safety. When to call an electrician. Not all heroes wear capes. Some carry toolkits. If you're facing persistent problems or anything involving your breaker box, it's best to call a professional. Your safety is paramount, and sometimes it's worth investing in expert help to avoid bigger issues down the line. Remember, safety first. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.